Hello guys, Tomatorine. Welcome to Rayhon Pass. I don't know about there, but we're exploring the 7th floor of hell. It's been a while since its gates opened to us. It's so hot that even guardians left the scene and didn't take responsibility. We came up with an idea to make something to cool down in the inferno. So here it is. Ingredients for maskhiyar: yogurt, chopped walnuts, dried pennyroyal, salt, raisins, peeled cucumber. Grate the cucumbers. Add raisins, walnuts, now salt, and dried pennyroyal. Stir the whole thing and add yogurt. If you're using high-fat yogurt, you can add some water too. Press that red button to be the first who gets our brand new cheat codes and gets closer to salvation. We used to eat maskhiyar when we got back home from school, in front of AC, with fresh dried bread. Good old days.